Here we have two wristwatches. One is older, one is newer. It has even a paper here. The diameter of this one is larger. Numbers are larger, numbers are smaller. This one is showing the day. That should be Friday. FRI. This one is not showing the day. This is showing the year. This is not showing the year. I'm not sure if that's 12 month and 8 day or 12 day and 8 month. But this is clearly showing 18 second month and 2025. This cannot be seen in the dark because it has no light. Whereas this one can be seen in the dark because it has a green light which turns off automatically. This can be scratched because the glass is in line with the side, so the surface can be easily scratched. That one appears to have a margin, but unfortunately it's in one line with the side, so this one can be scratched easily also. You can clearly see that it's 13 o'clock and 57 seconds. You cannot tell the time there, so the viewing angles are much worse on this one. On the left side you can still tell that it's 13 and 58. On the right side it's all black almost. So here on the left side you can see it's white, but as you tilt it, it's getting black. Whereas this one, it doesn't do that. Where it's white, it stays white even after tilting it. So the viewing angles are much better on this one compared to that one. See how dark is on the left side? You cannot tell the time or date. Samda. This has 1, 2, 3 buttons. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. But just because there is a button, it doesn't mean that it's doing something. For example, this one, it's not doing anything. This has some screws there on the top, 3 plus 2, and on the bottom. This doesn't have screws on the top. Maybe it's glued, I'm not sure. Only on the bottom. This is lightweight, this is a bit more heavier. This is showing the second, that one's not showing the second. This has these little hooks which enter into those openings, so that this little loop will not slide easily forward and backward. This does not have it. Since this one is taller, thicker, the cloth might get in the way. So this is slimmer, it can enter below clothes easier. This is taller, it might grab it, you cannot pull it onto it or pull it off of it easily. Smaller, larger. The display of this one is a bit darker compared to that one, but the viewing angles are far worse on this one. It's tall, so these little openings are just for design. This does not have it. Some more details. The model is 2165. It has a 3-volt battery. Here's a manual.